Thank you and welcome to cebulive.com All Talk. This is the segment of our show where we feature local products. And here it is, the Cebu, Philippines dried mango balls from Profood. There are several types of bowl-shaped food items. And I guess some of you have already tried them, like the fish balls, squid balls, meatballs, vegan balls, and they also come in different variants and in textures, color, and taste. There are hot balls, slimy balls, sweet balls, crunchy balls, and a lot of balls. It is worth mentioning the donut munchkins, which are basically donut balls. So here we go. So this is the Profood dried mango balls. Profood is a local company. So this I bought this from a supermarket in downtown area, and it cost about 42 pesos. So it is made by Profood, who also offers or produces other fruit-based food stuff like the popular dried mango. Profood is an ISO certified company, and it is also kosher, halal, and other international certifications. So its products are compliant with the international standard of food manufacturing. We haven't tasted it yet. We haven't even opened. This is our first time opening or tasting this. So this is the packaging. It is really made well. No? It's really intended for international market. And you can see in the text some other languages. So in various languages. It is also indicated the companies in Japan and Canada that distributes this product. Here also is the nutritional values. So let me change my shades first with the pinhole so I can read properly. So it has vitamin C, vitamin A, and sodium, fat, and calories. So they are all indicated, and sugar, iron. So it is all here. So this is a proudly Philippine-made, Cebu-made product. So, okay, let's open this. Okay, it is individually wrapped, so you can carry it around in your pocket. So yeah, the individual packaging is neatly done. It's really sealed. So there are about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17. Why this is odd? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17. Yeah, it's odd number, but it's okay. Maybe it's not indicated in the packaging how many is it, but maybe it's based on the grams. Okay, it's time to try one. And let's check how it looks inside. Okay, difficult. So this is how it looks. It really looks delicious. It's fluffy. So you can easily put it in the mouth and chew. So let's try. So it's a sour bowl. You can really taste the mango. Yeah, it's sour, but tasty. And it's not overly sweet, so just the right sweetness. Let's try another. It's really good. Yeah, tastes like dried mango, but in balls form. Oh, I thought I have to eat this all. So, yeah, this is high quality mango balls, and it is made by a company that makes quality products that we can be proud of. So, let's support local products so that we can sustain a local economy. That's it for today. And let me say that our fascination with bowl-shaped foods may be because we all live in a big ball of rock spinning in the vastness of space, and it's only one we've got. So we have to have the balls to take care of it, to preserve it for the future generations to come. And one way to do it is the proper disposal of plastic, including this one. So, and we just hope that the manufacturer of this food snack or food item will make their packaging in the future biodegradable. So, thank you for watching and have a nice day.